Do they have red cards, Lucy?
His name is the Sheep Man.
I was getting all the codes. You can start checking through the boxes. They have like 2 bunkers.
Easy, I'm not even there.
Alright, but when you get here, you can change.
Oh, there's a giant 10 by 10. Not 10 by 10, 5 by 5.
That's a whole ass there if you find a 5x5.
Dude, I'm just everything I got, bro. I'm not even keeping any components.
It's a two-story 5 by 5.
Should I just keep SMG
That
body?
might be a whole ass
I'm
there if it's a
recycling
2-story
everything because we need a
5x5.
tier 3. Actually, we don't need a tier 3.
We have tier 3. Yeah, but I have like 3 of them.
Wait. Is this cheese guy joining us?
Yeah,
Wait, do we have a tier 3 in that base?
We have 3 of them, bro. Like.
Oh my fuck.
Do we have? Do
Let's
we have a tier 3 in
keep
that
pipes
base?
for rockets. Keep pipes for rockets in.
What about that
This
guy?
guy-
Ah!
Yeah.
Friendly.
Hey, we're trying to
friendly.
drop you, bro.
Oh my god!
I'm still good.
Guy?
Clumps.
There's 4K GP.
It's
Oh
not
my
much.
god.
That is a lot.
I had 3 boxes on Vital with a 20-man.
I didn't guess. Look what we are right now. Look where we are.
How fucking unlucky is that?
Oh crap, I'm 3.
I'm fucking recording too.